All right, in this video, I'm just going to go over what it takes to lower a Ttr230 with the Yamalink. This link and put on this bike and see how much it lowers it. So one of the things that was happening is that my wife's riding the bike, and because of the height of the bike and the nature of off-road, when there's just a little bit of a angle, it's hard for her to hold the bike up. So I got online, looked at Amazon, looked at some recommendations, and Yamalink actually makes a lowering link for the Ttr230. I think it says 40 millimeters. It may say 1.5 inches. I'll have to go back to the documentation and actually read it, but it's pretty simple to install. I'm not necessarily going to go over the actual install. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube to cover it, but essentially it goes, this replaces this linkage from here to the frame. Is by lengthening this distance between here and here, you can see that this is longer. That by extending this out, it's actually going to allow this to rotate down more, and as this rotates down, the bike's going to lower. This is the shock distance. So the overall distance of the shock will not increase, and by it not increasing, the top, or it has to lower by this extending out. I don't know how much longer this actually is, but that's essentially the gist of it and how it's going to work. All right, real quick, this is the new link to the old link. Here's the piston or the pivot. You have to slip in here, make sure you grease it before you do, and that's where it will go. Final measurement, bike leveled. Hopefully that shows up on camera. Looks like it's about 35 to the top now, which is, I think, was almost 1.5 inches like it says. I'm not sure. There it is installed.